Intro hook. Imagine you're traveling to a foreign country. You need a way to manage your finances securely and conveniently. You've heard about Monzo Bank, a popular digital bank known for its innovative features and user-friendly interface. But where is Monzo Bank actually located? Building context. Monzo Bank is a UK-based digital bank that has gained significant popularity in recent years. It's known for its sleek app, fee-free international spending, and a range of other attractive features. But why is it specifically based in the UK? Let's dive into the history and reasons behind Monzo's UK origins. Historical context. The UK has a long history of financial innovation, dating back centuries. This tradition has created a favorable environment for fintech startups like Monzo. The country's robust regulatory framework, coupled with a supportive ecosystem of investors and talent, has made it an attractive destination for digital banking ventures. Regulatory environment. One of the key factors that influenced Monzo's decision to establish itself in the UK is the country's progressive regulatory landscape. The Financial Conduct Authority, FCA, has been at the forefront of regulating fintech firms, providing a clear and supportive framework for their operations. This regulatory certainty has given Monzo the confidence to innovate and scale its business. Innovative ecosystem. The UK boasts a vibrant fintech ecosystem with a concentration of startups, accelerators, and investors. This ecosystem has fostered a culture of collaboration and innovation, allowing Monzo to connect with other industry players and access the necessary resources for growth. Additionally, the UK's strong universities and research institutions have produced a steady stream of talented individuals who have contributed to the development of fintech technologies. Benefits of UK location for Monzo. Monzo's UK location offers several advantages. Access to the European market. The UK's proximity to other European countries has enabled Monzo to expand its customer base and tap into the broader European market. Talent pool. London, as a global financial hub, attracts a diverse pool of talented individuals with expertise in banking, technology, and finance. Investor support. The UK's thriving fintech ecosystem has attracted significant investment, providing Monzo with the capital necessary to fuel its growth and development. Regulatory advantage. The UK's regulatory framework, while rigorous, has been generally supportive of fintech innovation, allowing Monzo to operate with a degree of flexibility. Monzo's global expansion. While Monzo's headquarters are in the UK, the bank has ambitions to expand its reach beyond its domestic market. It has already made inroads into other countries, including the US and Ireland. By leveraging its technology and brand recognition, Monzo aims to become a leading digital bank on a global scale. Conclusion. So, to answer the question, Monzo Bank is based in the United Kingdom. The country's favorable regulatory environment, innovative ecosystem, and access to the European market have played a crucial role in Monzo's success. As the bank continues to expand its operations, it will be interesting to see how its UK origins shape its future. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.